Serving Johns Creek and the surrounding areas, Red Cedar Chiropractic offers a professional and unique approach to not only people who suffer from back pain, chronic pain, and neck pain, but also to people who seek wellness care and a higher quality of life. Dr. Christina Brinker specializes in taking care of families and sees many pediatric and prenatal cases. By combining skill and expertise, she is committed to bringing you better health and a better way of life by teaching and practicing the true principles of chiropractic wellness care. Patients seeking treatment are assured of receiving only the finest quality care through the use of modern chiropractic equipment and technology, including digital x-rays. Her goal is to help every patient achieve a fulfilling and happy lifestyle, full of the activities they enjoy most. To schedule an appointment, contact Red Cedar Chiropractic today and get on track toward living life at your highest potential.